Email doesn't usually fail loudly. Sometimes it just refuses to send at all, with a short code that basically says, "I don't trust you." Hello everyone, my name is Lucas and welcome to Warmy.io's YouTube channel. Today we're breaking down SMTP error 535 5.7.3, what it actually means, why authentication failures happen in the first place, and how to resolve them without turning your email setup into trial and error. But before we get to it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because email problems are way easier to fix once you find out what's behind the curtains. You ready? Okay, let's roll. SMTP error 535 5.7.3 is nothing more than an authentication failure. Your client tried to send a message and the server rejected it because it couldn't verify the sender's credentials. You usually see messages like authentication unsuccessful, invalid credentials, or username and password incorrect. Different wording, simple. The server doesn't believe the request is authorized. Authentication exists for a reason. They protect mail servers from abuse. So when credentials don't match, security rules change or access is revoked. The server shuts the door. And when that happens, emails don't go anywhere. Most cases come down to credentials. Passwords get changed, account lose access, or old credentials stop working after security updates. Even the smallest mismatch can trigger this error. Configuration issues are another common cause for this error. If the email client is using the wrong port, encryption method, or authentication setting, the server rejects the request immediately. Sometimes the issue is external. Email providers regularly update their security requirements. So if your client or software hasn't caught up, authentication fails. Accounts lookouts can also play a role. If a server detects suspicious activity, it may temporarily block sending until the issue is resolved. So why this error feels technical? The core problem is pretty simple. The server just can't confirm you are allowed to send emails. The first step is always verification. Confirm credentials, confirm server settings, and make sure your email client supports the security methods that your provider now requires. If everything looks correct and the error persists, check whether the account was restricted or locked and update any outdated software. But fixing SMTP 535 5.7.3 is only part of the picture. Authentication issues often surface alongside broader deliverability issues. So if sender reputation is weak or configuration is unstable, email systems become less and less forgiving. This is exactly where Warmy helps you. On the prevention side, proper email warm-up builds a steady sending pattern that servers trust. The free email deliverability test highlights authentication issues, blacklist status, and inbox placement risks before they disrupt campaigns. And tools like Domain Health Hub help you keep SPF, DMARC, and DKIM aligned so authentication works as it should. When the foundation is stable, errors such as 535 are way less likely to ever happen in the first place. SMTP error 535 5.7.3 isn't random. It's a signal that authentication failed and the server refused to proceed. Fix the credentials, align the configuration, and make sure your sending environment stays trusted. If you want fewer interruptions and more reliable email deliverability overall, Warmy helps you build and maintain that trust. If that helped you understand a little bit more about authentication errors, I invite you to subscribe to this channel, like, and ring that bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thank you.